guys, Jess here. Today I am showing you guys how I did this eye look with the Salvaje eyeshadow palette in collaboration of Becky G and ColourPop. And I will link all the products down below, all the products that I've done with my eyes and all the other products that I did off camera. If you want to see how this look came together, then just keep on watching. So I've already primed my face and did my eyebrows off camera, and I'm going to be using this Salvaje eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Cafecito, and I'm going to be using an eyeshadow brush to apply it into the crease and onto my lid and into that outer corner. I'm going to use up all of that eyelid space that I got going on. So using the same blending brush, I'm going to apply the color Sangria, and I'm going to put down the outer corner on top of Cafecito and on the outer lid. Going back in, I'm going to mix Cafecito and Sangria together to blend it into the crease. Then I'm going to be using an e.l.f. stamping brush, and I'm using the shade Petrona, and I'm going to put this into the inner lid, and I'm going to first use a setting spray before I apply it so it can be more pigmented. And look at my facial expression right there. Once I finish applying that color, now I'm going to use a blending brush that I got from an Ipsy Glam bag, and it is 35E, and it's by the brand Farrah, and I'm just going to be blending out the outer edges and also into my crease, which now that I'm looking at it, seems like a bad idea, but whatever. Now onto the inner corner, I'm using the shade Estrella, and I'm going to spray an old blending brush so it can be highly pigmented so I can do my inner corner highlight. Look at that though. Like, look at that shine. Going back to my big fluffy blending brush, I'm going to use the colors Petrona and Sangria, and I'm just going to blend out the rough edges, and I'm going to do my eyelashes off camera. So going back to my stamping brush, I have leftover Petrona on there, so I'm going to put it on my lower lash line, and I'm also going to add some more Sangria onto my lash line as well, and I do the rest of my makeup, and that's pretty much it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, click the bell so you'll be notified of future uploads. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to do good because it feels good and it's the right thing to do. I will see you guys next time. Cue the slow-mo. You really give me